What is up, familia de dinero, family of money? Welcome back. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to become a champion investor and join the familia. And today, I know the title. The title is like, what are you talking about, champ? What, champ? Holo went from 80 cents to 55. We're lost. We're gonna crash. Chill. Yesterday I talked about no man's land, and I was prior military service, and so no man's land means that there's a bunch of kind of people that are not living at the current time, and you want to avoid that area, right? Now there's landmines, there's also snipers, there's certain things out there, and I told you yesterday, you could go back, it's proof that I didn't know what was going to happen. Now I'll break down as to why, but we got to do some shout outs. Paul Tree, shout out to you, got in at 62 cents praying for something huge. Hey, hold on to it. 62 cents, you might be on the loss because it's 55. So just ride it on down as in dollar cost average if you have to. So you'll be all right. You'll be okay. The next one I said, I need this to hit $2. I think that is a short, that's a short position. That's a good, hey, you got a goal, that's fantastic. $2 ain't too bad, determining on when you got in your when you bought the stock. If you bought it at 29 cents, you're fantastic. Hitting in determining how many shares, hitting $2 is fantastic. But I'll show you as to why you might want to set that as your first goal and then set up for a second one for the big boom. All right, next one. Con trade, we got trucker and trader cool high from Mongolia. Shout out to Mongolia out there. And if you guys are, let me know, you can let me know your guys' positions. Where you looking to exit? Are you looking to just go the full 9 yard? I'll break down exactly why. Pretty much it's fantastic for Holo and FFIE if you guys are holders. Great week for Holo, starting at 29 cents and then peak of 80 cents, right? It was a peak of 80 cents. That was pre-market. Unfortunately, we could not even get into it. As soon as open market, it kind of died down. It was already around, I think, like 60, and then it kind of went down, and it's steadily at 55. Still great. Again, it started off at 29. Now, why the heck was everything else up? And our specific stock had just decided to go to no man's land and step on the landmine. Now I'll tell you why. Jerome Powell's speech was very great. He talked for about 15 minutes, and then within the 15 minutes, he pretty much fancily said that inflation is coming down, which a lot of people already knew, but the job market is imploding. Oh no! Oh! Now, if you are unfamiliar, $880,000 were not even on the report prior to Black Monday. Black Monday was August 5th, and which is very unfortunate because that's a select day for an individual that I love. The stock market decided to go, but it was Black Monday, and with that being said, they didn't even really put in the total job loss. So if they did, we wouldn't have this other report that just came out of the blue prior to Friday. On top of that, Holo decided to break its silence silently, literally silently, because they didn't make any news announcement. Convertible notes. You're probably like, bro, what you talking about? Short-term loans to big-time investors. That's what we're looking at now. And what I got let me go ahead and pop this up. Let me get the article. Okay, so we have website tipranks.com. It's not Wall Street, it's not New York Post, it ain't like anything like that, but it gives you the information, and I've heard it multiple times. So and it's also public information. MicroCloud Hologram Inc., a tech firm incorporated in the Cayman Islands, if you didn't know, it's in the Cayman Islands, has announced the issuance of 28 million in convertible notes due 2025. So they have to pay this back by 2025, along with the prospect of ordinary shares, following legal counsel's confirmation of the company's compliance with relevant laws and corporate good standing. So laws and corporate good standing. We'll break this down. The company's registration statement and prospectus outline the terms with legal options indicating that shares issued will be properly authorized, fully paid, and non-accessible under Cayman Islands law. So pretty much these shares will not be accessible or anything like that, tamper with or whatnot. So this is kind of put a little stint on, surprisingly, Holo. There, a lot of the big retail investors were like, okay, well, they're borrowing money, and they've been borrowing a lot of money. What the heck is going on? We have no news. It's been radio silent for, I think, like 6 months. 6 months. We have no news, not a really big rally, and the stock is going up. You gotta understand, yeah, we're all like, Holo, 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 but at the same time, there's a lot of companies, some companies are investing and getting in position. Why? I don't know. Maybe it's because of this. Next thing, reason for consolidation and little movement with Holo, 93% return on your money this week. You already made money, boy. If you put in $500,000 and waited out the entire week, you almost made not just your money, but around $470,000, $450,000, I think, around that. So you made double your money, your whole. So on Friday, a lot of people like to take their winnings and walk away. I won. I'm walking away. All right. Next thing, meme stock rally failed to show up. No Roaring Kitty, no GME, no AMC. None of these meme stocks. I believe in Holo as not just a meme stock. I think of it as an actual company that can provide really good tech, because and we're gonna get to it. But no strong rally. On X, you heard quite a few people chattering it up about Holo. But it is what it is. So next, reason for Holo to no longer be a penny stock in the future. Number one, possible acquisition. What? Up. There's been a lot of chatter. About acquisition. Now, are they acquiring a company, or are they going to get acquired? I don't know. I'm not going to speculate on that, but there's been a lot of chatter of some acquisition or preparation for it. So this leads into the next thing. Let me go ahead and open this up, because I believe this is what it is. EAIE. Somebody said EIE. It would have been nice, but EAIE. That is European Association for International Education. Now you read that title, you're like, okay, this is just an education meeting. Well, happening on September 17th through the 20th, pretty much you're having companies get together, and I see here, let me see, here it is, yeah, where historic charm meets futuristic innovation. All right, so it could be that Holo has been preparing some kind of presentation. Apparently they're going to be showing up here. That's happening in September. A lot of things are happening. We have rate cuts next week. We have NVIDIA's earning statement, so that could boost Holo and FFIE. On top of that, we not only just have that, but we have rate cuts in September that are looking to be on a 50-point rate cut, right? On top of that, we have EAIE, that one, okay? September 17th. We have a busy month, and hold on. Y'all ain't ready. August is historically one of the worst months of the stock market. Wow. All right. So you're probably feeling down. Hey, things can turn around, but we have so many signs showing that this is a buildup. Number two, no, this is an additional thing, okay? I've never seen Holo move the way it did. It stayed consistently within a certain area, consolidating, flipping. Now the volume was 110 million today. Yesterday it was higher, I think 167 million. But the volume's going in the hundreds now, right? Come Monday, what happened this Monday? Monday it took off, it spiked up. Now on yesterday, FFIE took off, so Thursday. Friday, it looks like a consolidation. Everybody's kind of like, all right, we're going out. Happy holiday, right? Happy holiday, goodbye. And it is what it is. Now, we need, on top of that, in order for it to not be a penny stock anymore, we need news, we need a rally, and we need a steady climb. So we need a steady climb up until the meeting, get some fantastic news. We are owed news by now. We are owed news, right? Not old, like old, but we are owed as investors news. What's going on with this company? We got a slight news that they're borrowing money. For what? What the heck? What? Why? They got a lot of money already. What the heck are we building? So that's all we can rely on. Now, for us to get the pop, we need a few things. We're gonna see a downtrend and then a tick up. A lot of times you see that, a downtrend and then a tick up, but we need to get above $1, reach about $1, have a down, and then consolidate, and then boop. We need, or we're at an uptick and we get news. We have like a up and then down, up, but we're steadily going up, and then we get news and boop, right? Or it can just go like this. Now, I'm on the side to say that a company like this that is borrowing that amount of money does not want to be losing at this point, or they would have to file bankruptcy or do all that stuff. And so it would be a little weird why they filed it 4 times instead of once. Why they filed it 4 times? Well, actually, what the heck? No, actually, what the? Well, that's kind of strange because it's been 4. I know it's all in 1 year, but that's kind of strange. But so Holo and FFIE is kind of in the same space. I know some of you guys came for FFIE. I'm very interested in the company, but it's more so a short squeeze right now. They need to be acquired by a bigger motor company. I believe in the company, but I think that their technology could be better used under like a huge conglomerate of a company. Once that news is out, the stock might elevate into a steady level and no longer a penny stock. But thank you guys so much for watching. I am not a financial advisor. I just want to put that out there. So you do these moves, you will lose money in the stock market. So again, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not somebody that could tell you what to do with your money. I will not tell you what to do with your money. So that's just out there for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and for everything that you guys do. And I'm excited to go on this journey because I believe we're actually prepared for an interesting Monday. I think that Monday is going to be where we might have some stuff swing. I believe that we might start off the week Monday. I'm going to say I believe 100% that we're going to have a good Monday. Now, I don't know about the end of it. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know, but at least in the beginning, I believe people are geared to it. Tuesday, I think just overall, NVIDIA, everybody's going to be buy. Wednesday, because of NVIDIA's earning. And then we'll see where we're at. We'll see where we're at. It might just be that, you know, in order to gain some of that money, we get news early. Early news is not bad news. The pop is not bad pop, right? But we're going to see a little uptick, and then a little downward. But if we don't, we might just see a different trend, which is uptick, different resistance levels. And so thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch all of you champs in the next one. Familia, be safe out there. Be safe on the road. I will check all of you guys out in the next one. Peace.